आप देख रहे हैं आवाज़ वॉइस और मैं हूँ आपके साथ अमीना माजिद। जश्न रेख्ता में जहाँ बड़ी बड़ी शख्सियत को देखने का मौका मिलता है, वहीं रेख्ता की एक खासियत है यहाँ लगे स्टॉल्स। तो चलिए लेकर चलते हैं आपके स्टॉल्स में और जानते हैं क्या है यहाँ ख़ास।
Hi, I'm Megha. I have a brand called Mushk Studio. It's a sustainable brand for candles. We make soy wax candles, scented candles, which are vegan, non-toxic, and not harmful for the environment. We have a different variety. We have jars. We have artisanal range. The USP which we have is the artisanal kind of bowls which we do. The spring bouquets, the lotus ponds. Then we also have some prints and playing cards with a Bollywood retro theme as well. That's about it. The whole idea of this is to make sustainable brand with sustainable products with some artistic variety on it. Mushk means fragrance. Okay, so that is how we connected, because our product started with the candles only, and we wanted to continue with the with those themes. Also, Mushk also depicts it's a very poetic form of fragrance, and we thought that the line of products are also very poetic, because the kind of fragrances which we are making, the blends which we are making, are quite different from what are already available in the market. So that's how the Mushk and the products relate to each other.
सुखनवर जो है वो एक ऐसा ब्रांड है जो उर्दू और पोइट्री के बारे में बात करता है। हमारे सारे प्रोडक्ट किसी ना किसी पोइट, शायर और उर्दू को लेके आए। हम लोगों ने कोशिश की है कि हम लोग उर्दू को सबके लिए इजी बना दें, तो हम लोग मोस्टली रोमन उर्दू इस्तेमाल करते हैं, ताकि जो उर्दू लैंग्वेज पढ़ नहीं सकते वो भी उसको एंजॉय कर सके और बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट कम्युनिटी ऑफ उर्दू विदाउट इवन लर्निंग द स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ उर्दू. So that is all Sukhonvar. That is what Sukhonvar is all about. Mostly we have tote bags with different Urdu poetry and Urdu words. We have sweatshirts and hoodies. We have launched some of the dupattas. We also have candles, which are like Dil-e-Nadan, Sukoon, and Gulistan, Mehfil. So all the products are about Urdu and its poetry and the beauty of Urdu.
आपकी आइडिया कैसा है?
एक्चुअली मुझे पोइट्री बहुत पसंद थी पहले से, उर्दू पोइट्री. लॉकडाउन के टाइम आई यूज्ड टू राइट, तो मुझे कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए थे इस टाइप के, लेकिन मुझे कहीं मिल नहीं रहे थे. सो आई थॉट के देयर इज़ अ गैप इन द मार्केट एंड वी शुड डू समथिंग. हमें कुछ करना चाहिए, कि कुछ ऐसा लॉन्च करना चाहिए उर्दू का. तो हमने ये सुखनवर की स्टार्ट की थी.
Maestro Smile एक non-profit organization है, and we work with the people who has those who were the survivors, and Sabat is basically is an initiative of Maestro Smile, or it empowers women, and I'm sorry, it is basically for it empowers women. It is basically for the women, those who have lost their husbands. So right now we have very renowned calligrapher. He is Wasim sir. So he does calligraphy, and we have got fridge magnets. We have got Palestinian merch also. We have collaborated with some of the Palestinian artists, and we have got tote bags, mugs, tumblers. We have got candle stands, and many more things are there. Postcards and all of these things.